Hi, hello.
You're welcome. أهلا وسهلا.
Which is your company and which kind of technology are you looking for?
My company for the catering company, international catering company. I'm looking for the final food. So I'm looking for the sterilizing oven and also the plates and the machine to cover the plates to use it for the frozen food. That's what I'm looking for this industry.
What's your name?
My name is Dr. Mansour bin Youssef.
Mr. Which country are you located?
From Saudi Arabia.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. أهلا وسهلا.